In the previous class, I have discussed about the potential change in potential energy and potential energy at a point. And suppose this is the point charge, and at particular point P at distance r, the potential energy means this potential energy at P is the work done in bringing the given charge Q from infinity to P. This is the potential energy, and this is equal to the work done by the external force in bringing from infinity to R. And this has been discussed in the previous class. This is the potential energy, and now today I am going to explain the electric potential, not potential energy, electric potential at a point due to a given point charge. For this, so this is the electric potential due to point charge. Suppose this is the point charge Q plus Q, and this is a point P at which we have to calculate the electric potential, and the electric potential is defined as the work done in bringing the unit positive charge from infinity to that point P. So means, suppose this point, the position vector of this point is R, means we can suppose this is the origin and this is the point P, so we can say that OP is R, position vector of P, and infinity. So according to definition of the electric potential, this is the electric potential denoted by V, is defined as the work done in bringing unit positive charge from Q to infinity to P, and work done in bringing means work done is Q to infinity to P, and this is the work done in bringing the given charge from infinity to point P, and for unit charge is this is the Q, because this positive charge is Q. So this is the electric potential at point P. Again I am repeating this. The electric potential at a particular point is defined as the work done by the external force in bringing the unit positive charge in the electric field at this point, and that work done will be equal to the electric potential at that point. So here I am going to calculate the work done in unit positive charge from infinity to this point. So at first, suppose there is a point P dash, and the position vector of this point P dash is R dash. Suppose here the unit positive charge. So force on unit positive charge. This is the force on unit positive charge due to plus Q charge is equal to K Q into 1 divided by R dash square. And according to definition of the potential, the work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to point P. So the work done is equal to force into displacement and the cosine value of the angle between them. So the force, and this is the electric force, and this force is outward, means the both charges are positive. And you know that since we have to calculate the work done by the external force, so external force must be equal to this electric force, and this electric force is variable because R dash is variable. So we have to calculate the work done for a small displacement, means that displacement tends to 0, and this is the dr, and suppose this is the dr dash, a small displacement, and in this displacement the force should be kept constant, and the external force is equal to kq divided by r dash square, and displacement is dr dash. One thing, that is the direction of r is this, position vector is this, and I am bringing the charge from this direction. So direction is opposite. So I am putting the sign minus sign, and this work done is the small, for the small displacement. So I am also using the integration to get the complete work, and this should be infinity to point P, and the position vector of point P is r. So this is the r. Now this k is constant, minus sign is here, and this is infinity, and r. Q is constant, r dash minus 2 dr dash, and the integration rule, x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So minus kq r dash minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 and infinity to r. So minus kq r dash minus 1 divided by minus 1, minus minus plus, and this is the kq divided by r dash. This is the one thing, that is the minus kq plus, and this is the 1 by r dash, and this is the infinity and r, and now taking the limit kq 1 by r minus 1 by infinity, and minus 1 by infinity is 0, and this is the kq by r, and thus the I am writing here kq by r. For vacuum, k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So v is equal to kq divided v is equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r. This is the expression for the potential at a point due to point charge. And since it is the work done for the unit positive charge, so its unit is the unit of work divided by unit of charge. And so the unit of work is joule and unit of charge is coulomb. So joule per coulomb, and it is known as volt. So volt is 1 volt means 1 joule per coulomb. This is the unit of the potential, electric potential. Now, since it is a work, so it is a scalar. It is a scalar, and suppose there are so many charges. Suppose Q1, this is Q2 plus Q1 plus Q2 minus Q3, and at this point you have to calculate the electric potential. And for this, suppose the distance from this point from Q1 is R1, this is the R2, and this is the R3. So at this point, V is V1 plus V2 plus V3, and V1 is K Q1 divided by R1, V2 is K Q2 divided by R2, and this is plus minus Q3 divided by R3. So this is the K Q1 K by this is equal to K Q1 plus R1 plus K Q2 plus R2 minus K Q3 plus R3. So there is a very easy to get the electric potential due to a point charge, because it is simple by adding all the potential simple by arithmetic rule, and then you can get the electric potential at a point at a particular point with so many given point charges.